8 Best Rain Jackets for Alaskan Cruise. Hi there, I'm Laura and welcome to Best Travel Luggage. I am your guide to all things related to TSA and travel. And today we're going to talk about a cruise to Alaska and what kind of jackets you may need to pack to enjoy your trip. My husband and I went on a cruise to Alaska with a couple of friends about 2014. And needless to say, it was cold, and I am a cold weather wimp. And it rained, and it snowed. And this is my husband here, and I have on layers here trying to stay warm. And oh my gosh, we had so much fun, and it was so beautiful. My friend and I went and tried on hats, and we went on a train ride, and we saw Mount McKinley. But no matter how cold it was, we still had to prepare and pack the right gear to travel. So how do you choose the right jacket? Well, let's talk about that. What do you want to look for? You want to look for something that keeps the rain and the snow off of you. It's waterproof. You want to look for something that's lightweight, that's easy to pack and doesn't take up much room because you're probably going to be flying to your destination to get on your cruise. And you want something that's easy to layer under or has a tad bit of lining to it so that you can stay warm. Now, we're going to take a look at 8 jackets today. These 4 are lighter weight with no lining. So the first one that we're going to talk about is the Outdoor Venture Packable Jacket for women. It has its own bag here that you can pack it in. It takes up very little room in your suitcase. It's lightweight, 100% zipper closure, so it's going to keep you dry. And if you size up just a little, you can layer underneath of it, as many layers as you like. For the men, we have something along the same line. It's very lightweight and packable. It is dry touch coating, so it's going to keep you dry, and you can layer under it also. For you ladies who like something a little bit longer and want to keep your hands and your body more covered, this is very lightweight and packable, the Mountain Hardwear Acadia Parka. It is the extended length and has underarm zippers for breathability and repels water beautifully, packs beautifully. This is for the men. It is a little bit heavier raincoat, not just a shell, but it's not lined, slightly longer at the tail, very packable and breathable. And then we're going to move into our rain jackets that are a little bit lined. First, we're going to talk about our women's North Face Flare. Now, it's not as long as some of the others, but it is well insulated with polyester, very durable water repellent, machine washable with it, which is a great plus, and it has a nice flattering shape. It's lightweight and it packs beautifully also. And now for the men, we have an Outdoor Ventures soft shell jacket that has a fleece lining on the inside. It's treated with water repellent. It has a hood, and the cuffs in the hood are adjustable, and it too is lightweight for packing, and you can layer under it also if you like. Now we're going to move on to our down, and I chose a down jacket by Columbia that is very lightweight, but it's a longer length to keep you a little bit warmer when you're standing on the edge of that ship looking out over the beautiful waters and the glaciers. You want something that's going to keep that wind off of you too. It repels moisture, and because it's down, it will roll up into a beautiful little ball and come out looking great every time. So you can pack it easily and not take up a lot of room in your suitcase or a lot of weight. And finally, we're going to talk about Columbia Down Hooded Jacket for men. This is a 650 power down jacket, versatile fit, and it's thermal bonded baffling, so the down stays in place very well. And it you could layer under it if you want, but it is mostly going to keep you fairly warm and packs beautifully. You roll it up and it will keep you dry. So that's it, folks. Choosing the right rain jacket for your Alaskan cruise is all about you. It's all about what you need, what your body temperature needs, and how are you going to stay the most comfortable and have the most fun. So we've discussed 8 different jackets, and any one of them would be perfect for most. And they come in various colors so you can pick and choose to your heart's desire. And I want to thank you for joining me today. And remember to click like and subscribe, and check the description for links down below to any of the jackets or the full post. And remember, leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And until next time, I thank you.